Hello, thank you for watching today. My name is Ashley Lundy with Guarantee RV in Junction City. Today I'm going to show you a quick tour of our new 2020 by Newmar Bay Star. This is the 3112 floor plan, which is new for 2020. Of course, all these are going to have your full body paint. This one here has two slide outs. When you first walk in, you immediately see their beautiful accent lighting. This one actually has a lot of room for people as well as storage. You have storage up front. You have opposing sofas. This one actually has a televator, so this is going to be your TV, and when you're not watching it, you have a big window to look down at your patio. This booth table drops and it actually converts into a small bed as well. This is all going to be storage for you in your pantry. And kitchen, you have counter space, you have a huge microwave as well as an actual oven. These do come in several slight variations with different options, so you can combine those if you wish. Back here you're going to see a nice walk around king size bed. This is your cushion for that booth, and it's one of the very few Newmar floor plans that in order to bring the slide in, you actually fold up the bed and you have storage underneath here. So with a quick easy lift you can see storage underneath. Don't see that too often with these. And here's going to be your corner bathroom. Take a look there, nice glass doors. All contained in one unit, and Newmar's emergency exit behind the toilet there. No one else is doing that right now. This is also some new colors we have in this one. So if you have any interest in this one, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We do have other ones similar as well to show you. So this is our 2020 Newmar Bay Star Sport 3112 floor plan, and my name is Ashley. Please give me a call at 541-337-2387 if you have any questions about this. Thank you so much for watching.